toe Dawid aangekom het en Goliat hulle gedreig het, toe het Saul vir Dawid gesê, trek aan my wapenrusting, vat my swaard, en dan gaan jy na hierdie reus toe, and go and fight this giant, but put on my armor. And David tried it, but Saul's armor didn't fit David. He couldn't move in it because David was still small, a teenager. And Saul was a big man, head and shoulders above all the other guys. And there's so much to learn just from this. Other people would say, I would go out and face the giants if I can just take somebody else's armor. As ek net het wat Royes het, of wat oom Hans het, as ek net het wat hulle het, dan sal ek ook vir die Here iets kan doen. You don't need somebody else's weapons or armors. You have a specific set of things that God gave you, and He wants you to defeat some giants in your life. Nie op enigiemand anders nie. As David Saul se klere aangetrek het, the king's armor looked different than that of the armies. If David went out with Saul's armor, the people from a distance would have recognized the armor and they would have said, oh look, there's Saul. Saul is going out to fight Goliath. Hulle het gedink dit is die koning. Maar toe pas dit nie vir David nie. And you don't need someone else's makeup or weapons to fight the battles that God is sending you to fight.